In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can clean your piston groove. Your piston ring groove, this is a piston ring, this is a piston. How can you clean the grooves? How can you clean the grooves? Sometimes you may need to reuse your piston. I'll still do a video on conditions that can warrant you to reuse your piston. No matter the size of the piston in your engine, you can sometimes reuse your piston. What are the things you are going to check? In another video, I'm going to talk about that. But in this video, I want to tell you how you can clean the piston grooves. These are the piston grooves. You can see these grooves, you know it. How can you clean it? There's a special tool for that will help you to clean your piston grooves. But do you know with this hacksaw blade, you can clean your piston grooves? This is what I've been using over years, more than 15 years in this industry. This is what I've been using to clean my piston grooves. Just the what usually be in your piston groove is carbon. So use your razor blade and just like this, and ensure that you do it round. Bend your hand to the corner. Go ahead, but don't exert force. If you exert too much force, it can cause damage to the piston. You know, the blade, it has teeth. So as you are doing it gently like this, it is carbon. The blade will remove the carbon. Do it around all the grooves. Let me do it and let me show you. You can see. You can see. Now look at this side I've done now. Do you see? Do you see the side? Look at the side I've not done. Do you see as it's black? Look at the side I've done. Do you see how it's shining? Do you see? This place is shining. But look at the other side I've not done. Do you see? The carbon is still inside. That is how I clean my piston. Let me do all and let's see the result of everything. So if you want to reuse your piston, this is the best method for you to use. If you don't have the resources to buy the piston cleaner and you want to reuse your piston, just look for a use. You don't even need to buy a new hacksaw blade. You can just get a used hacksaw blade. This one I'm using is a used one. The teeth are even on, but they can do the magic for you. You can see. Let me finish it so that you can see what I've done. And before you go, there's another thing I will tell you something. When you do it like this, sorry, that's a blade. That's a bed that just fly in into my office. Sorry for that. So you can do it. You can see. You can see. This is how now everything is clean. You see, everything is clean. You can see the groove. You can see how the groove is shining now. Unlike before, that is very black. Yes. Then also the edge, you can use the razor blade, clean the edge. You can see how the carbon is falling off. To clean it. This is how I clean my piston groove. It is necessary for you to clean the groove if you have to reuse your piston. Why? Because if you install piston rings on it without cleaning it, the piston will not sit very well, and that will now causing the piston rings to be having marks on your cylinder wall. So you need to clean your piston groove very well before you reuse it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. Follow me for more. This can be done on diesel engine and also on gasoline engine. So this is the blade and this is the piston. This is how I clean my piston groove. Before you go, if you notice that you want to clean the edges of the piston, In case the rings doesn't enter very well, you can still use your razor blade. Just use it like this. Look at the way I'm doing it, like this, and you notice that you are going to open the piston groove a bit from the edge here. It's just a simple trick. Use it and you thank me later. If you have used it before or you are using it, please tell me in the comment section. See you in another video.